Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with A to Z. First of all, this is green color. A for ant. A for ant. This is orange color. B for banana. This is black color. C for cat. This is purple color. D for donkey. This is red color. E. This is blue color. F. This is brown color. G. This is orange color. H for hat. This is violet color. I for ice cream. This is black color. J for jam. This is green color. K for kite. This is blue color. L for ladybug. This is red color. M for magnet. This is blue color. N for nuts. This is black color. O for octopus. This is orange color. P for penguin. This is green color. Q for quilt. This is black color. R for rose. This is brown color. S for sun. This is red color. T for tiger. This black color. U for umbrella. This is blue color. V for vulture. This is black color. W for watermelon. This is brown color. X for xylophone. This is pink color. Y for yogurt. Last one in yellow color. Z for zoo. Okay children, bye.